Sa lahat ng sa JIL, Born Again Christian, o MCGI, lahat, Jesus Ministries, humiwalay kayo sa pagsamba dahil rebulto. Yung Catholic matagal nang nag-exist. Kailan lang kayo nag-iba ng relihiyon. Kumbaga, pero ang dala-dala nyo si Jesus pa rin. Si Jesus mula sa Catholic was just an image already. Ang sinasabi ko, it's in re, the true name of Son of God, the name above His cross. Jesus was just an image. The only one that makes image to worship the beast was the beast. It's in the Bible. Alam niya yan. They changed the name of Son of God in the Bible. It's not an acronym. It should be if it's an acronym, it should be in the Bible also. Or on that sign above His cross. Pontius Pilate, alam niya, knows His name, so he put this sign in the cross for him to remember. Jesus' images claim the name of God that's supposed to be for Inri, na para kay Inri. Before he start this ministry, Jesus' image was in Roman Catholic already. Nasa Bible din. Pinalitan nila yung pangalan ng anak ng Diyos. So you still carry the image of Jesus. Ganito yan. Exodus chapter 20 verse 3 to 5. Huwag kang sasamba sa ibang Diyos maliban sa akin. Huwag kang gagawa ng imahen ng anumang nilalang. Ngunit pag mananalangin ka sa iyong silid, sa manalangin sa Diyos na hindi mo nakikita at ginagawa mo ng lihim. Hindi mo nakikita kasi yung Diyos ay Espiritu. It's in re, the name above His cross. Walang ama. Walang ama. Ang sabi rito, you must be born again to be son of God. You must be born again to be son of God. John 3:3. Spiritual transformation of being born from above. Walang ama. Walang ama namin. Niloloko kayo ng mga Katoliko. Walang ama namin.